Alright guys, quick little update on where my beautiful 2JZ Corolla is at. Got some mods I was doing the other day. I got a remote radiator fan. Isn't that just fucking beautiful? And I got the drift missile mod is what I like to call it. So you got rid of this little fucking boot here. Fucking useless, and it's all mechanical now. Look at that beautiful fucking shit on you. Look at that fucking shit on. Alright, enough with that. Did some repair on my fuel tank. Some fucking shit, don't worry about it. This is what I've been wanting to show you guys. Oh yeah, that's my old exhaust header. Okay, here we go. So, my new exhaust. What do you guys think? Pretty mint. And I'm going to school for welding. Oh, it's fucking embarrassing. But yeah, so give a little quick sound test. See what you guys think. Fuck it. Oh my god.